Hello everybody, this video is regarding how to teach you to replace and change cell battery in your fossil Q hybrid. So we're gonna start off with that, and so just to be in context, this is the watch we're talking about. I've already retained a detailed review for this watch. You can go ahead on my blog and read it. Right, and a little bit tiny description over here, so that if you ever buy this watch, you can go ahead and give a nice go and see what are the options you get. Coming back to that, this is the fossil Q hybrid watch. Specifically, this one is the hybrid crew master. So we'll be quickly changing it with simple instruments like the screwdriver. I have identified that the screwdriver is a 4-pin screw required. I don't think I'm going to get a good view of that. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So we need this size of screwdriver. This comes with the fossil watch. Here you can see there's a screw one I've already removed. This helps you to turn the lock, the spin lock. All you have to do is just, it's quite fancy, serves the purpose. You put it here in this wedge and you move it like this, so that way it locks and unlocks. So all we have to do is just unscrew these. I'm actually having difficulty to unscrew because I'm using one hand. So what I'll do is I'll just unscrew this and we'll continue from there. Right, so we're back again and I'm unscrewing the last screw here, and probably it should come off single-handed. Let me just see if I can twist pop this, and yep. So here we are, we have 4 screws. I've already used the tool to move this here. Just know that when you twist this metal cap, it doesn't twist all the way in 6 o'clock position. It is usually in a 9-3 position, that is horizontal axis, and you can see the watch is straight. So if you notice, a lot of times what you'll do is you'll use the tool, place it, and you'll try to twist it completely in vertical position like this, which is incorrect and you're not supposed to do it. There's a video on the fossil website as well, you can refer to that, but this is the first time probably I'm making a video on actually doing it. This is the first change I am doing for the battery. So let me just open this up and we'll continue. So yeah, we are back again, and a little bit of focusing here. I am first time removing this cell compartment. This is the first time even I'm doing it. I'm not done it. So as I noticed that this is how the fossil Q looks from the inside. I apologize for the vibration and the blur in the video. I actually don't have the equipment to show you. This is how the crew master hybrid fossil looks from the inside. I'm trying to get a good focus on this. I guess all the sensors, and for those of you not opened it up ever, this is what to expect beneath. Probably all the circuitry and its sensors here. Coming back to the video subject, which is change of battery. Here it is. I'll just quickly pause the video to use and replace this. All right, all of that and more in a moment. So here's the thing, the cell below this one is a new cell that I bought. It's a Renata cell that is available very much. And above it is a cell that is old, which I can show you. It is Renata. Quick fact that the company gave me the Renata cell, so the stock cell that comes in the watch is Renata. You can have a better cell, you can have a less better cell, if I may, but the one that you get from the company is Renata, right? I think I've forgotten which is the new one and which is the old one. I guess I kept this one, so this is the old one, while this would be the new one. It's gonna be in shit of trouble right now. Sorry for the language, I forgot. Just a moment. Alright, there's something I want to show you, that the lock mechanism, it will help you understand how that works. You see, it's not perfectly circular, it has openings, wedges here. So what happens is when you twist, this gets perfectly aligned. You see over here, there is, if I'm able to point it out correctly, there's a wedge, so it's not straight, it is a bulge like this. So these things gets hooked over there. I place the cell, and all I have to do is just pop it back. So I carefully put the cell back in position. Yep, there you go. I've just placed the cell. I think the next thing I need to do is place the screws at the right place. The cell is there, I'm aligning the screws, and the next thing that needs to go is probably and surely, of course. So originally when you close this, it's like this. When you open it, it reaches this position. Alright, and then you have to push it inside, and then you have to push it inside and lock it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna screw this up back again. Yeah, I'm gonna screw it up. All of that and more in a while. Yes, you're back again. So you can see that I've successfully screwed up all the screws in the places. I've twisted it back in the place, and this whole thing is working. I'll show you the work. Perfectly working fine. Crewmaster, see, it's ready. It's actually showing the time. I guess it's correct, yeah. So all it needs is a little bit of syncing, and we have the time working fine. Thank you.